Nyothrep Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749 90534 and 98561 72263. Polling to the 47 Rajabala Assembly by-elections had started at 7 a.m. and continued up to 4 p.m. of the 30th of October 2021, wherein all those who reached the polling stations before the closing time were given a chance to exercise their franchise. However, one of the major concerns of yesterday's elections was COVID-related protocols that almost seemed to have been absent among voters who, despite being asked to do so, did not follow the required guidelines. The DEO and DC of West Garo Hills, Ram Singh, informed that polling had been peaceful without incidents being reported from anywhere. There were 1 or 2 VVPAT issues during the morning, though those were immediately sorted out, Ram Singh added. It may be mentioned that the DC, through an order, had imposed Section 144 CRPC on the 30th of October to avoid clashes between supporters. The DC added that Section 144 CRPC would continue until further orders, sources said. On 27th October, a minor scuffle turned into a major clash, with 21 people being injured from the resultant stone pelting. 2 FIRs were filed to this effect, with the INC naming 24 people, while the FIR filed by the NPP named over 150 people. This prompted the INC camp to take the incident as a target by rivals on its principal workers. Many of those named in the NPP FIR have been detained by the police. 2 separate complaints on the action taken by the police were filed with the returning officer after at least 7 Congress supporters were among those that were detained. On October 30th, the Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress MPYC had once again written to the returning officer seeking the release of their supporters so that they too could exercise their franchise.
The arrest was totally arbitrarily done because there were 2 FIRs, one from the Congress side and one from the NPP side. They are working only on the NPP complaint. So far, they have not given any importance or anything on the Congress complaint.